In this video, I will show you how to delete your Chamet account. Open the Chamet app on your device. At the bottom right corner, tap the badge icon. That's your profile. From there, scroll down until you see Settings, then tap on it. Next, tap on About Us. Here, you will see an option that says Delete Account. Go ahead and tap that. You will be asked to enter a few details like your reason for deleting. I'm just typing in I want to create a new account. Once that's filled in, tap the delete button at the bottom. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just tap confirm and your account will be deleted. That's how you delete your Chamet account.